What if your AI agents could take real-world actions like making calls and sending SMS without you writing a single line of back-end logic or dealing with a bunch of SDKs? That's exactly what the Exotel Model Context Protocol server unlocks. What you're looking at is how Exotel's MCP server helps AI agents take real-world actions, like making a call, without stitching APIs or writing back-end logic. The agent prompt, say, "Call this number to remind them of the appointment," goes to the remote MCP server. From there, Exotel's orchestration layer takes over, handling API calls, managing workflows, and logging everything via the database. The entire action loop is abstracted from the client. This makes building agentic AI experiences faster with reusable logic blocks and a centralized control layer that simplifies orchestration across channels and models. Before you get started, there are a few prerequisites to keep in mind. You will need the Claude desktop app, which can be used to manage AI agents. Node.js with NPM is required for running the necessary scripts and applications. An active Exotel account with your API credentials is crucial for accessing the Exotel services. Lastly, ensure you have the MCP remote package, which will facilitate the integration and deployment of your AI solutions. If you haven't installed the MCP remote package yet, you can do so by running the command and after installation, verify if it's working. This will ensure that everything is set up correctly for the next steps. Let's take care of the prerequisites first. Head over to the Exotel dashboard. You can sign up if you are a new user or log in through email or SSO if you are an existing user. Use your registered email address to log in. Once logged in, you'll see the option of API credentials on the top. Click on it to come to the developer dashboard, where you can see your account SID, subdomain, and account region. Pick the API key and the token to create a base 64 of it. We will be using these parameters later for MCP configuration in your LLM. Next, let's pick the virtual number. Click on the virtual number option on the left menu. This number will be used to initiate calls. If you want to enable sending SMS, head over to SMS settings on the left to add your SMS template and generate a unique template ID for it. Ensure that your business is registered on the DLT portal to activate the SMS. You can also link a unique call flow with your virtual number. Go over to the App Store on the dashboard. Click on Create for a new flow and use a unique name for it. It's a drag-and-drop flow builder with a list of applets. These applets can be used to set up our flow. In this case, we click on VoiceBot applet and drag and drop. In VoiceBot, we can input our endpoint or WebSocket URL, which will manage our VoiceBot. If we wish to record this call, that is an option. If, for example, we want some information post-call, we can directly put pass-through applet. Here, we can provide an endpoint that can capture the information post-call and give us the relevant information. If we want to define a next flow where the call should go to any agent, we can do so. For instance, we might want to use our connect applet to route the call to a specific agent or a group of agents. You can also route this call to a trunk for another contact center, or where you can simply select an option and define a trunk ID. If your agents are added on Exotel dashboard, you can define this. Alternatively, you can define something dynamically. You can use programmable connect to define it as well. This is one way you can set up the call flow. Once you are done with this, you can map call flow with your virtual number. Whenever that virtual number is called, this flow will play out. You can select the virtual number and the flow to link. Once the prerequisites are in order, we can then look at the Claude desktop configuration. Ensure that you add the correct token, which will be the base 64 code of your API key, and token, picked from the dashboard. The from number, which is the virtual number chosen for initiating communication. DLT template is your SMS template ID. DLT entity is the business ID, generated after registration on the DLT portal. Caller ID, the another virtual number used for patching calls between two parties. API domain is already added. This is the link that will be used for referring the API collection. Add the account SID, a unique identifier for each Exotel account. And finally, portal URL, which can be picked from the address bar of the Exotel dashboard. Copy this complete code and open the Claude desktop app. Head over to the app settings, where you'll see the developer option. Click on Edit Configuration option. It will redirect you to the JSON file of Claude in your system. Open that file and paste the code to link your LLM with the Exotel's MCP server. Now, it's time to test it. Close the app and restart to add any prompt you want executed by your LLM. Let's say, call a particular number. It will automatically initiate the call and share the necessary details with you. If you want further details, or let's say, the call recording, you can again prompt the agent. It will share the recording link that you can listen to or download. Get started to make your AI agent smarter without any hassle. Try it out today or reach out to us for more details.